To remotely control your PC with your OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to settings on your phone. Next, over here, we're gonna open device connect option, and then we can choose PC. We can remotely control our PC with the help of the OPPO Connect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the OPPO Connect app, so you can open your browser and go to connect.oppo.com, and then over here we have the download link for Windows and for macOS. Then once you get the app, you can, for example, sign into your account over here, the same one that you use on your phone. So of course you want to choose the OPPO over here and sign into your account. This allows you to easily automatically connect your computer with your phone. But what you can also do is you can simply click on remote control over here, and if you don't want to use an account, then you can do so manually. Over here you have the instruction with the device code and password in case that you want. That's what you want to do. We can also sign in without the account, so we can click on connect manual over here in order to get a QR code that you can scan in order to connect your computer with your phone. And on your phone, you can find this QR code scanner here in the upper right corner. If you decide to sign in, then of course you should be able to automatically have the option to remotely control your computer from your phone. Also, you can go to remote PC control in order to choose your device over here. But since in my case I am not using the account, then I can tap on connect to a new device, and then over here I can enter the device code and the connection password. Now once you enter the password and the device code, or if you manage to connect with your computer without it, then you should be able to tap on the remote desktop button in order to start controlling your PC from your phone. And there we go. As you can see, now I have the window over here from my computer. I can actually just tap over here to minimize things if I want to. I can just close everything. There we go. I can see my desktop quite easily. Over here we have some additional options that you might want to use. We have the mouse, keyboard, and some other stuff. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.